Hey guys, it is Robin, the lady biker. How is everyone doing today? Alright, it is middle of the week or so, and my boy Bob here was telling me we needed some quality time together. So, guess what? I said, okay baby, let's go. And so I thought I would get out, and while we were doing this, I would talk to you about the old saying that loud pipes save lives. Now, been having this conversation off and on with my friends that are also riders, and there are two very different schools of thought. Some are very pro, and some are very con. And I thought, okay, listening to everyone, talking to everyone, I totally see the two different points of view. And so I thought I would get on and share my, the two different arguments that have been coming about, and then find out if y'all have this, see what y'all think. So, let's start with the cons. And now, my boy Bob does have a set of Vance and Hines pipes on him, and he's had them for a while, and to be honest, I haven't looked recently, but I think the baffles are gone, so I may be running pretty close to straight pipes. Not intentionally, they are. And so needless to say, he could talk. And the cons of that is whenever I'm out riding on him for a while, he does get really loud, and that level of volume can be a little bit uncomfortable at times. Give me just a second. I am going, because this is a blind corner, or a difficult one to see. All right, guys. I just like doing that. Anyway, so on the longer rides, after a while, it does get really, really loud. And it can be a little bit uncomfortable on the ears and whatnot. Now, that being said, there are a couple of ladies in my leaders group that have similar styles of motorcycles. And sadly, both of them are running short, straight pipes. So to say they are loud is an understatement. And when riding in a group, I really, really hate ending up stuck behind one of them, or God forbid, both. Because that's all I can hear. I cannot hear my comm systems. I cannot hear traffic around us. All I can hear are those pipes. So when I'm riding in a group and I'm riding behind them, it's not my favorite position to ride. The other side of it, so that's the cons, is the loud is, they are loud. There is no arguing that. And so that's the cons, and that's been one of the biggest, for those that are anti-loud pipes, that's been their biggest argument. Now, the pros. They just sound freaking cool. Do they not? And the other thing is, in situations like here in California where we can split lanes, it does make a difference. It really makes a difference, because when someone's focused on traffic, especially heavy traffic, they don't always check their rear view and side mirrors, so they may not know when we're like right there next to them, and the pipe gets their attention. They do get attention. At intersections, it really does make a difference. Perfect example. Yesterday, when 2 days ago, when I was coming back from work and I was riding Bob, and I was coming through an intersection, and there was a lady trying to exit a gas station. crossing traffic where she would have crossed in front of me. She was looking the opposite direction, but not my way. And she almost pulled out in front of me until I grabbed the clutch and, you know, popped the throttle a little. And then all of a sudden she knew I was there. And I think I just about scared her into a heart attack, poor thing. But it did prevent an accident in that situation. Now, I'm not going to say that that's going to be the case every time, but that day it did. If I'd been on my Road King instead of Bob, I don't think she would have heard me. So that is one of the reasons why I am considering putting a set of pipes on my Road King, because currently she just has the stock pipes on her. So, you know, there's some really good pros and really good cons to loud pipes. You know, it's both have their points, both are valid. But that makes me curious. What do you have on your bike? And what is your opinion on loud pipes saves lives? Do you agree? Do you disagree? And tell me why. I mean, we all have our purpose. We all have our point of view, and I really love hearing everyone's, because we're all, even though we're all family, we're all diverse, and I do enjoy it. So guys, drop down in the comments, let me know. And with that being said, I am going to keep working my way through these back roads here. I am loving it. I've got to run over to UPS and the post office and run a couple of errands. Yes, I did use this as an excuse to ride. So guys, with that, get out and ride. Have fun. Be safe. And catch you on the next video. Bye.